Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to properly top your power steering fluid or power steering oil. In my case you can see the power steering fluid has come to the minimum level. Now there may be two cases. It may be there is a leakage in the steering oil pump seal or your steering rack boots, they may leak. Otherwise it may be natural to go down. So in this case what we do, we'll top up with this with power steering oil. Now this oil is of quite good condition, so flushing will not be necessary in this case. So I'll top it up. There lies the oil. Now I'll top it up. For this I have procured Bosch ATF from Amazon. This is an 1 liter bottle. So now I will top it up with this particular power steering fluid. So I have topped it. Now I will start the engine and turn my steering from lock to lock, so that if any air is in the system, that will move out. Now I will start the engine and move my steering from lock to lock. ওখানে কোনো আর হাওয়ার বাবলস উঠছে? আর উঠছে না তো? So no air bubbles are seen over there. So I will stop the engine and take my car for a spin. Now let us close the cover. So this is the perfect way how you top up your power steering oil in a car, and this is for all the hydraulic power steering systems. I did this in my particular Ford Fiesta Classic. So if you have liked this procedure, please do subscribe, and if you have any comments regarding this, do comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye.